Okay, so I previously took apart my locking mechanism because I had some solder joints that went bad. So I reflowed those, and then when I reinstalled it, the lock mechanism wouldn't actually lock. It would unlock and lock the passenger side, but the mechanical portion on the driver's side wouldn't lock. And so it was just always unlocked. The alarm would go off when you open the door, but you couldn't actually lock the front door, the driver door. And so I realized that this little piece that the key goes in has two portions to it. An upper portion that rotates around that hits these two micro switches that actually arm and disarm the electronic locking mechanism. And then it has this lower portion that operates the mechanical portion. And so what I had done was put this back in incorrectly so that lower portion wasn't catching on those legs.
It was you who done
push it. I did it to myself. Yep. So
it wasn't like snapped in.
If I put it in the right way, with that facing the gap,
in theory, it should work.
In theory, when I stick a screwdriver in this hole now, yep. So now it's actually moving the mechanical lock as part of this lock. Fixed.
Bang, bang, boom.